A setback for former President Donald Trump in court today. A judge slapped Mr. Trump with hundreds of millions of dollars in fines and blocked him from applying for loans or even serving as a company's executive officer in New York. And as Fox's Caroline Shively reports, his two oldest sons, Eric Trump and Don Jr., were also found liable in this case.
A blockbuster ruling against former President Donald Trump Friday afternoon. A New York judge has ordered him to pay more than $350 million in a civil fraud case and banned him from applying for bank loans or running a business in the state for 3 years.
It's a ridiculous award. Listen, a fine of $355 million for doing a perfect job.
State Supreme Court Judge Arthur Engoron had earlier ruled that Trump, his two oldest sons, and their companies committed fraud by inflating the value of their holdings on financial statements to banks to get favorable loans. Before the trial began late last year, New York Attorney General Letitia James asked the judge for a $370 million fine and to block Trump and his co-defendants from conducting business in the state.
At the end of the day, this case is about fraudulent statements of financial condition.
It's been a busy legal week for the former president. A Georgia judge heard more testimony on Friday about whether Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis should be removed from Trump's election interference case. Lawyers zeroed in on a romantic relationship Willis had with a special prosecutor she hired, even calling her father to the stand.
So Ms. Willis had not told you about Mr. Wade prior to that?
Absolutely not.
That comes just a day after another New York judge set March 25th as the start date in Trump's criminal trial involving hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels in 2016. The timing will put it right in the middle of presidential primary season.
We'll just have to figure it out. I'll be here during the day and I'll be campaigning during the night.
Altogether, there are 4 criminal cases against Mr. Trump, but only one has an official court date before the election. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox News.